Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to today's video. All right, I got a shock drop, not just any shock drop. This shoe, when it dropped, I wasn't expecting it to drop, and two, it wasn't even on my list of shoes to buy. So if you guys want to know what shoe that I was able to get 10 days early, I think, stay tuned. Okay, well, I'm gonna pull my phone because, and I thought I had to know that. Oh no, that's right, I took it down because I went to Trader Joe's earlier. All right, this shoe was supposed to come out on 9/24. Today is 9/16. They shock dropped on 9/14. You could probably figure out what shoe I got. This box was open on one side. Oh, the tape was kind of up on one side, but it's not up on the other side. All right, so you guys can probably figure out what this is. So I'm not even going to get into the particulars, too much of a story time. Oh yeah, I was perusing Instagram and looking at Fashion Week content, New York Fashion Week content, and I got a pop-up from Unboxed. If you guys don't know, I am on Unboxed under Sneakers and Handbags. So if you guys are over there, come give me a follow. I will follow you back. So hopefully I'll follow. Am I following too many people? I don't know if I'm following anybody. I think I'm following one person or something. But go over there to Unboxed if you are on there. Give me a follow. I'll follow back. And let me shut up. You guys know what it is. This is the yellow Nike box with the Nike swoosh logo in black. That pretty much kind of tells you what's in this box. The box reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color reads Taxi Black Sale. Yep, I got them. I'm gonna tell you, like I said, this was not on my list. Literally, the shoe was not on my list. I wasn't thinking about grabbing. Oh wow. Oh my. I wasn't thinking about getting, this is the Jordan 1 High Taxis or Yellow Toe right here in my hand. Damn, I'm a little impressed here. I'm impressed. Funny thing is, like I said, I wasn't looking to get this shoe at all because I have the Pollens, which literally I just took off my feet. If you can see, I'm wearing my Wu-Tang shirt. So I was in my black and yellow mood. So I was like, I already have yellow shoes. I have the University or Sunshine yellows and whites. I have the Pollens. What else I have back here? The Brotherhoods up top. I have the gold. I have the black and golds back there. So I was just like, I wasn't looking to get another yellow Jordan, but these hit a shock drop 2 days ago. And I said, what the hell? The shoe you guys are going to see Sunday, next Sunday, or, well, Sunday, because you're going to get this. This is Wednesday. Shoe you're going to get Sunday was the shoe I actually bought the same day, right before it, at Hibbett, and then these dropped, and I'm like, oh, well, why not? Let's look at these up close. These are the Yellow Toe or Taxis. Here's the front. Here's the inside, the backs, and the outsides. You know what I'm doing? We're pulling that left one because we left these in this piece. So I've heard a lot of people compare these to the Shattered Backboard. Unfortunately, I do not have a pair of the Shattered Backboard. That is a shoe that I would love to get my hands on. I ain't even gonna lie to you. And I'm hearing people say this is as close as we're gonna get to the Shattered Backboard re-release. But then I'm hearing the Starfish that are dropping in October. Excuse me, those may be it instead. I don't know. I have to see the Starfish, and I've seen the the shattered backboards in person. I've seen them on someone's foot before. And I still, if I could get my hands on a shattered backboard, that'd be great. I'm not paying resale. Sorry, I'm just not. But let me give you guys a closer look of the taxis. The taxi yellow is on the yellow toe, all up the top and the back. Your outsole is yellow. And also, looks like your insole is yellow. If I can get everything out my way. Pop that out. Your insole is yellow. And on the inside, it says Nike Air in black. Your black is all around the toe, on the tongue, with also in the taxi yellow, you have, what is that, Nike Air, stitched in on the white label. Your black is also around the top, on the eyelets, and your strings are also in black, and your swoosh is in black. Your sail is around the swoosh and the midsole. This shoe, wow. I mean, I've seen a video. I saw somebody do an early review on these, so I actually saw them on video and thought they were really cool. But to have them in my actual hand and to see the yellow, this is not the same yellow as the pollens. I'll give you guys a video right here of the pollens side by picture in picture, so you guys can see the yellow in the pollens is not the same. Like I said, I just took them off. The yellow in the pollens is more of a crayon yellow. This is giving me mustardy, kind of mustardy yellow. That's what I'm getting out of this. So actually, let me grab it real quick, because I just literally just took these off. So here's a comparison real quick of the pollens that I have. And then here's the taxis. So you can see the yellows are two different yellows. They're not the same. That pollen yellow is more of a lighter yellow, and the yellow here on the taxi is more of a mustardy yellow. So let me stop babbling, because you guys are here for one thing and one thing only, and y'all want to see how the heck what I put together with this. This shirt technically would have been one of the t-shirts I would do with this, but now it's dirty because I've been out, like I've been filming videos and out all day. You're actually gonna see, you actually just saw this shirt in Sunday's video, this because it was all filmed the same day. I didn't change my shirt. So I've been filming all day, so unfortunately this shirt will not be the shirt you're gonna get with it, but I do have some ideas of what I'm gonna do. So let me shut up and get to the fashions. For this look, I went with this vest and pants two-piece suit, basically, from Target. This was the Who Would Wear collection, I believe. I went with this 3/4 sleeve black t-shirt, also from Target, to go with the yellow taxis. The bag is from Coach. It is a older Coach bag. I think I got in the 2000s, I think early 2000s. Anyway, I wanted to kind of pull out, there's a yellow stripe in the suit. Let me see if I can get in, you guys can see. There's a yellow stripe in the suit. So I wanted to pull the yellow out of the suit and kind of play it up with the sneaker. So let's get on the floor so you guys can see the sneaker up close. All right, and here's the shoe up close. You can see that taxi yellow more in a natural light. This yellow is giving me a mustardy yellow. Let me pull up my pant leg so you guys can see the taxi yellow on it, and even on the heel. I saw a picture, someone else had their taxis and they changed the laces to a white lace. That gave me an idea, and I'm gonna check and see if I have a white lace, which I probably do, and I think I'm gonna switch these out. So if you guys are gonna see other pictures like on my Instagram, we're gonna have the white laces in. If I can find more of a sail, more not white, not pure white, but a sail lace, that will be what I'm gonna do. So, but yeah, here is the shoe right here up close. You're gonna see all the yellow hits from the toe cap all the way to the back, including the outsole. The back of the shoes also have the yellow hits. And the inside, in the black, is on the swoosh, along the toe cap, and along the lace eyelets. The laces are also in black. Your tongue is in black. And then the sail color is on the midsole and around the swoosh. So yeah, these, I like these shoes. They're so cute. I can do so many things with them, and I'm really happy I went on and grabbed them. Okay, and for this look, I went with this dress from the Kalana Brown collection at Target. That collection just released, what, almost 2 weeks ago. I also have a video last week. I'm sorry, a video on Sunday. If you guys didn't see the haul, I have it up above. With the Taxi Yellows. Belt is from Target, also from the A New Day collection. Bag is from Stan Studios. I wanted to make the yellow the pop of color in the outfit. So what good outfit to do? A cute little shirt dress that I have belted. But yeah, this, I can't pull it up too high. I need some biker shorts underneath. But anyway, I wanted to do something different instead of, because I was going to do a sweatsuit, a black sweatsuit. But I said, nah, let's show some leg. Even though it is almost fall and I'm probably not going to show my legs. So let's get up close one more time with the shoe so you guys can see it on my foot for the last time. All right, here's the shoe one more time on my foot. I think I am going to switch out the laces and do a white lace, because I think that white would pop against the black eyelets. But yeah, I think that will work really well with this. So yeah, here is the shoe one more time so you guys can see all the colors. And this is in natural light. I did not change anything on my camera. This is all natural light. So yeah, like I said, the yellow is more of a mustardy yellow. And some people are comparing it to the shattered backboards, which those are orange and black. They kind of give me that vibe. I wish I had a pair of shattered backboards to show you all, but other people have done it in other videos, so you guys can go see their videos. So here we go one more time with the shoe. The Taxi Yellow is on the toe. Also on the tongue with the Nike Air written there. On the top with the black wings. On the back also. And then the black is on the swoosh around the front of the toe cap. The laces as they are right now. And the lace eyelets around the top. Also the tongue. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. The outsole is in Taxi Yellow also. The midsole is in Sail. There's also around the swoosh. But yeah, I really like these shoes. Like I said, this was a pure, like, last minute cop, and I'm really glad I got them.
I hope you guys liked all the fashions that I put together. This shoe really impressed me outside the box. I don't know what I was thinking when I saw this shoe, but this shoe is really nice, and my battery light's blinking. So let me get finished. But I, for some reason, did not think the yellow on this shoe. This yellow is giving me mustard vibes, which I really like. So, and I'm glad it's not the same yellow as the Sunshine or University Yellows or the Pollens that I have. So let me get in up close and personal one more time for you guys while my battery light is blinking. This is the Jordan 1 OG High Taxis or Yellow Toe. You're in the colorway of Taxi, Black, and Sail. Your Taxi Yellow is going to be on the toe, all around the top, and on the back. Also the outsole and the insole is going to also be that yellow. Actually, let me pull. I don't know why I keep putting it back in. There you go. There's the yellow. The black is going to be on the inside with the Nike logo here on the inside. Also the black tongue, the shoestring, all around the toe cap, the eyelets, the wings, and the swoosh are all black. Your Sail color is going to be around the swoosh and the midsole. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, the tag Nike Air in yellow on a white tag on top of the I just realized you guys saw my bad nail. Anyway, this shoe is nice. This shoe really it's impressive. I like that yellow. It's different. I kind of wish it was a suede. I ain't even gonna lie, I wish it was a suede, but that's okay. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at all. But that is it. I'm going to get out of here. Like I said, the battery light's blinking and I need to take a shower and I'm going to bed. It is like 7:22 and I am tired. I done filmed 3 videos today, ran errands, the whole thing. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here. If you guys like videos like this and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everyone, including myself. Also, if you guys want to see more, if you guys want to read something, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I talk about a little bit of everything from sneakers, handbags, music, movies, home decor, marketing, a little bit of everything. So just get over there. You can read what's on my mind. And that, like I said, is it. I had a cup of water and I'm going to guzzle this. I am so tired. Oh my God, I'm so tired. Anyway, that's it. I will talk to you guys later. Love, peace, hair products, beauty, luxury, sneakers, handbags, and all that fun stuff. Bye.